Alright guys, so mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Use portrait because I'm using portrait. Then you hold the cap, then throw it towards the camera. Now pick up the cap. Now bend down, put the cap on your head like what you're seeing on your screen. Something like that. Then save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now click on the plus icon, import the video to Capcut. Look at this empty background here. We want to use this empty background, so you tap on the empty background, then click on split. So after clicking on split, look for overlay. Now when you see overlay, click on overlay. Now it will bring the video down to second layer. Drag it to the beginning of the video like what you're seeing on screen here. So tap on the first layer, look for freeze. Where is this freeze now? Freeze, where are you? Just look for freeze. Okay, see freeze here. Now click on freeze. Now tap on the ending part of the freeze. So you will be able to drag it to up to either 15 seconds or 10 seconds anyhow, but as it is now, it's okay. So now you have to split and delete the second layer where the person wants to throw the cap. So you see that there must have been some mistakes, some errors there. So you split and delete it when you get to where the person wants to throw the cap, like what you are seeing on your screen. So you drag it to the beginning. So I want it to start this way. You throw the cap like that. So now when the cap is in motion, when the cap is still in the air, that is where you have to tap on the second layer. Now click split, tap on main track. So now click on this plus icon, this add overlay. Now bring the same video back. Now when you bring the same video back, this is how it's going to appear. Now you have to split and delete it when it gets to where the second person is wearing the cap from here, like you are seeing on your screen. So from here like this, you just set it where the person is wearing the cap, understand? So you delete the beginning, then drag this other one here, not to the beginning of the video, understand? You're not dragging it to the beginning of the video, you drag it to towards the end of the second layer, something like this. Towards the end of the second layer. So it will be like this. You get my point? If you get my point, let me know in the comment section that you get my point. Now tap on the third layer. Now look for remove background. Click on auto remover. Tap on this auto remover. Please make sure you allow it to remove completely, understand? Allow it to remove completely, so it will not have it will not be shaking, it will not buffer. You get my point? That is just it, background removed. So now you tap two fingers on your screen, then drag it to fit to screen, then you have something like this. Let's do the cap, let's see how it's gonna be. So now we need some adjustment from here. This way you freeze from this place, you freeze, just adjust it so that it will match with where the person is wearing the cap. You get my point? You understand what I'm saying? So you just do a little adjustment from here, and then that is just it. Honestly, that is just it. So you can now decide to click on split and delete from here, like what I did. I just click on split and then delete the other part I don't need at the end of it. So guys, that is all you need to know about this cap effect, understand? So if you really enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure, see, we need to grow. We are almost getting to 200 subscribers, so share this video so it will get to others. You get my point? Like and share. If you have any issue, let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to assist you 100%. So guys, see you in our next video.